period last week, and which is so just watching this, and this is another. Hi, today is Tuesday, 21st of April. It's actually already almost 6 o'clock. I didn't start off like, you know, as usual, morning, waking up early and stuff like that. I've been trying really hard to wake up, to get myself into this new habit, which is like waking up around 6 to 7 o'clock and, you know, to be more productive kind of thing. But things don't really go according to plan. And last week was horrible, I would say. I got my period last week, and dude, it messed up my emotions like crazy. Usually I only get like mood swings only on the first few days or when it's approaching my period, but last week it was a little bit different. I was having all these weird emotions that I've not felt for some time, for almost the whole entire week. Even my sister noticed it. My face was just the annoyed face, the RBF that I have. I didn't feel like doing anything at all. And yeah, I didn't cook, I didn't do any of the dishes. My sister helped me with all of that. Thank you if you're watching this. And I didn't even clean house. I didn't bother doing anything. All I wanted to do was to get my work done, and I just want to watch drama or movies or anything, something that could make me escape from reality. I just didn't want to face reality. I didn't want to face anything that I should be facing. And when it comes to waking up in the morning, whoa, that was difficult. I just didn't want to wake up. I just want to lay in bed all day long and do nothing, actually, to be honest. But yeah, so that was last week. And also, funny thing that happened last week was that, was it last week? That I broke my teeth. Actually, my tooth broke or chipped off when I was younger. In primary school. All I remember was from the teacher's table at the corridor, I just took the paper, I ran in and I tripped, like, you know, it has this, I don't know what is it called, but yeah, I tripped over and I just fell and my face went down straight, and yeah, I got my tooth chipped off since then. So yeah, last week I was just eating chocolate because I was craving for it and it came out. But thankfully the dental clinic downstairs, it was open. I made an appointment immediately the next morning and got it done. But it was super funny though. It was really funny. I couldn't take myself seriously. My sister was trying to avoid staring or looking at my face whenever she talks to me because she finds it too funny. There's quite a lot of story time. Oh, and yesterday I went down to do some grocery shopping because finally I saw my fridge sort of like emptying. So I went down to grab some stuffs. I don't know why, but I feel like it's always like I'm the only one who grabs quite a lot of stuffs, because how I feel about this whole entire thing is that I don't want to go down almost like every single day just to grab some stuff. Like go down, grab some bananas, then the next day go grab only bread. Whenever I go down to buy anything, I will make sure that I get enough supply for at least like 1 week or 1 to 2 weeks. So whenever I go down, I get a lot of stuffs because all those stuffs have already ran out. When I look around, people don't seem to buy that much. And there was once I actually saw a guy only buying like one banana, just one banana. And I'm like, okay. I'm not judging, it's just that I'm just wondering like how do people go about this? So the story is, I was carrying a basket full of stuffs and then I was at counter. So this place that I shopped at is called Shop Smart. It's sort of like a mini mart. So the place is quite small and there's only like one cashier there. So they have 2 counters but they only open one. When it was my turn, I was busy taking out things, you know, to make the process a little bit faster. I'll make sure that I flip over to the side where he can straight away scan the barcode. So I was doing that. I pay using card. So my bag was filled with stuff, so I can't put my phone in exactly, and also my wallet. So I was holding and I was waiting for him to return me the card. Then I cannot put things into the shopping bag at the same time because I can be a bit careless. So I'm afraid that if I were to take the card and put things at the same time, I will forget that I have already taken the card and then later I won't be able to find the card. So I waited for the card first, then only put the stuffs into the shopping bag. But then at the same time, I realized that there were a few people behind me. And I was like, shit, I still haven't put things into my bag. Like, I start feeling this panicky mood, you know. I don't know whether you all feel that, but I always feel that whenever I shop and there are people waiting because of me. I hate that feeling, okay? I hate that feeling. So yeah, I was like being panicky. I was like, oh, I need to put things. And then I realized that one shopping bag is not enough because I bought quite a lot of stuffs. Stupid. Should have bought more shopping bags. But yeah, then after that, at first, the cashier waited. He was just standing there waiting for me to put things into my shopping bag. Then I was like, shit, can you like please open the counter beside me to lion the people, the customers behind me, so that they don't have to wait that long? But I didn't tell him, I was just busy putting things. Thankfully, he opened up the other counter and I was like, thank God. But I was also trying to rush and put things. So yeah, that was yesterday's story. But anyway, what I wanted to do today is I received this painting kit. So this girl, her name is Lavanya. She actually owns this, she does like workshops and all that for painting, and because of MCO obviously you can't do that, so she does offer delivery for these painting kits, and I received one last week. I'm finally gonna open it up and do it. I can't paint. I'm not good at all this art thing. I actually really regret that I did not attend any art class last time. Should have listened to my mom when I was younger, but the young me didn't want to do it. I just refused to. I don't even remember why. I think because I didn't really have, I don't have friends to accompany me. Stupid, right? I should have just went. Then the now you will be very thankful. But anyway, I didn't go to it. I didn't attend to any art class, so I'm just gonna attempt. If anything fails, I'm gonna ask my sister to help me. So yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna open the package right now. What is a lot? Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you so much. Ta-da! Oh, I think this is for the stick on it. So they do provide these painting brushes as well. So if you're worried that you don't have any of this kit, all of them comes together with this. Okay, I shall transfer over to the living room to do this because my sister is there, so I can use some help. And you were the one who do it. Hey, we're scared. So I just paint.
Paint lah.
When was the last I held this brush?
When was the last you pendidikan seni?
From 5 you have it? From 4.
From 4 got pendidikan seni?
Oh, not meh? From 3 ah?
I don't remember I do pendidikan seni oh.
Very scary. Do I paint down first or paint?
Just paint. You just paint before I take the paintbrush to paint. How does that paint you?
Ooh! After a few hours later, I finally finished. There's this bear that I'm supposed to trace. So, see wow, like macam yes oh. What is that? Where are the legs? Adoy! Oh, I seriously ruined the whole entire thing. My trees look so pretty. Not bad lah. And then I think it took me like about 3 hours to finish up. It's different than watercolor paint. It's not that I'm good at watercolor, but it's different lah. You have to control, and it's on canvas. And this is the first time that I painted on a canvas, so it took me some time to get used to it. So yeah, total was 3 hours. And what I learned from this whole entire painting process is that I realized that I'm pretty impatient. When I was painting the black color part, wow, I paint, I was like, I'm still not done. And then after that, I'm like, oh, I was painting quite slow. So yeah, another thing that I learned is that you don't necessarily need to be good at drawing or whatever, because Lavanya actually provide a link which is like a tutorial for you, so you just watch and then you do. Although it's a little bit difficult to control the paint and all, but after a while you just get used to it. But I really love my trees. Only the tree part, not the bear. Annoying. Technically today I didn't do anything much. I was just I was just working and then ate. After that, I was just painting. That's it. It's already nighttime. So this art session is actually called Sip and Wine. Sip and Paint. So if you were to attend a workshop, she actually provides you wines. But because we are all home, so we pair it up with whatever alcohol drinks that we have. So I only have apple fox. What I noticed is that I only drank it at the beginning before I really started painting. After that, when I started concentrating, I didn't even touch my drink at all. I was just painting all over. I was just focusing and doing it. So yeah, left it over. Finished showering. My sister just watched Gabby Cook's video, and there's this personality test thingy which is called Flower. She asked me to try. She got rose. Start! Yeah. Wow! Tap to begin test. Which seed would you sow? Which book would you like to read? You confirm choose Chicago, no?
What?
You definitely choose The Wandering Midnight Souls, right? That's confirm your type of book. What else?
How do you figure it out?
I will take Chicago Hitman.
Definitely.
Ooh, I'm blinking?
Yeah, I think you're tired.
Oh, wow, okay. Tired after studying for some time. You decide to sleep lah.
That's what I chose to.
No I don't drink coffee definitely. I do full body stretch. Nah. Do I sleep or grab some snacks?
Why not spicy, Ken?
What do I do? I'm tired already. I'll grab some snacks.
Definitely.
Wow, this is very interesting. And either strikes you out of the blue. How would you write it down? Who will write on the book that you're reading? You!
Hell! Oh, not all. No, I don't write in the book, Rose.
Don't you? You used to write your idol's name on Sejarah textbook. Hello?
That is textbook is different.
But it's not inspiration, okay. Message pops up. Your friend invites you to hang out tomorrow. Tap on phone to check message. Wow! This is cold. So oh, okay. Where are we going tomorrow?
Oh no, that's
Chill at home. But it don't have art museum, hell no. Hiking a cultural creative market full of eye-catching designs. Historical site dating. Oh!
Did you get my answer?
You? Historical site lor.
Shoot, how do you know me so well?
What else would you go? Hiking off, art museum off, cultural and creative market, it'll be damn packed with people, you sure won't go in. So yeah, historical site. But where will I go?
Where will you go?
I know you too well. I think I can do the test for you. Every flower is a soul. Stay focused to improve yourself and nurture the seeds. Slow down and reflect on life for 30 seconds. Wait for your flower to bloom. Oh, I'm supposed to reflect now for 30 seconds, is it?
I forgot when press continue.
You are unique and it's... Finally, please enter your name to receive a personal flower. Rose. It'll be funny if Rose receives Rose. What flower will I get?
Bamboo.
I'm a bamboo, yo!
Read it up.
Steadfast and righteous with unwavering commitment. You are down to earth and detail oriented. You can make decisions without hesitation. Not exactly. You are efficient at work and you plan ahead. It depends on what it is. You hope to stay focused and be responsible for your own actions. Pretty accurate, actually.
Actually, for you, it's pretty accurate.
Yeah, for yours, it's totally pretty off. It's time to bye-bye. Where am I at? Huh? Oh, that's fast. I'm already at season 2, episode 8.
And then season 3 you halfway.
Kaza. It's already 12 something. That's fast. But yeah, I'm just happy that today I finally get to do something again. Like I've mentioned, last week was pretty bad. And I'm just glad that I managed to do the painting today. And I moved here and there. I didn't just sit around and do nothing and just think and wonder about life. So yeah, it was a good day. Thanks so much to Lavanya for sending me this art kit so that I can actually try it out. I just want to say thank you. I don't know if she's gonna watch this or not, but yeah, I'm just very thankful that she actually sent me this. Like, I'm nobody. She didn't have to do it, but I'm just so thankful. And she even wrote a handwritten letter. It's here. But I really appreciate handwritten letters. and this means so much. Like, I'm glad that I'm able to, you know, help out a little bit. Just a little, but thank you so much. And I think I'm just gonna continue watching some drama before I sleep. So this is the app that I found. It's called iQIYI. Actually, I pronounced it as iQIYI at first, but yeah, it's iQIYI. So I've been watching this drama. Piece of Your Mind, A Piece of Your Mind. Actually, I started downloading this app because of this. Youth With You. And there's Lisa, there's Ella, and there's this cute judge too. But yeah, I'm just watching this. And this is under VIP actually. Episode 10 is out too. I subscribed for 1 month because MCO was on. But you will only need to pay for like $190 for the first month VIP. Yeah, I'm gonna play this drama. It's Chonghae. I'm gonna watch this drama and I'm gonna go to sleep. Hope that you had a good day today, or hope that you will have a good day. That's it. Bye.